Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard Delta Airlines Flight 2998.
They let Ali through? I can't believe it.
All electronic devices should now be turned off and stowed as they may interfere with the aircraft's navigational and communication systems. As we leave the gate, please make sure your seatbelt is fastened. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and adjust the strap so it's low and tight across your lap.
This is incredible. Okay, so these. I gotta have this one. I've never seen them like that. Holy shit, I gotta have that one too. The dates, Persian style. We get some dates.
Yeah, like a I've never seen, we don't get these in the US.
Farghini loves candy, Mexican candy, more than anyone in this world, so that's what he's eating right now. He's about to get stomach sick because this is too spicy for him.
Toast.
By the way, he doesn't fit in the store.
¿Cuánto? Ah, poquito.
¿Cuánto es poquito? What is going on, guys? Believe it or not, we're in Mexico, and we had to do it because, like I said, there's been a lot of opportunities showing up, and I'm sorry that it's so dark in here. Hey, guys!
Hey, what's going on over here?
Buddy and good old Farghini. We were just waiting outside. Hey, Farghini. Oh, thank you, buddy. Now people can see how my head shines a lot. But we're in beautiful Mexico City. Wait, what the fuck are you doing?
Hey, we need a good light here, man. It looks terrible. Yeah, it looks good. It looks much better.
All right. We're in beautiful Mexico City. Buddy and Sergio, who's Salomondrin's editor, went out there already today and got some incredible B-roll of the most amazing buildings. Do you remember where you went?
Yeah, it's Zocalo.
Which is kind of downtown Mexico, if you will.
Beautiful.
Yeah, insanely beautiful. And right now we're here with Italian Mexican Tony.
Hey.
How are you, abuelito?
Hey.
Watch out for the topic. Okay, maybe don't distract him while he drives. And we're heading to see Juca right now because he's got a car with NOS, believe it or not. We came all the way to Mexico to experience NOS, and I think the one that's going to be experiencing the most NOS out of everyone is Farghini.
I'm already nosed out.
And by the way, Farghini has the worst seasickness, motion sickness, everything sickness of all time. Farghini down. Ooh, that was a big one. Anything makes him throw up.
So you're telling me he's about to get nauseous?
Sorry, Farghini. So we're heading right now. We were eating in Polanco, and we're heading to Santa Fe in Mexico City, which is probably 45 minutes away with traffic right now. And Tony's doing the beautiful job of driving us there. And then we're gonna experience some NOS right now, people. So we'll see you there.
The good news is every NOS vehicle I've ever experienced or saw has never worked. So hopefully that'll be the case today also.
It'll work, Farghini. Hookah knows what he's doing.
We'll see.
Right? So this right here, while we're driving, is kind of like the Fifth Avenue of Mexico City, if you will. It's called Polanco. And this is where all the tourists are eating outside and just people watching and judging everyone else. Just, you know. That's what we do, people, here in Mexico. Don't let it... No, I'm just kidding. So, yeah, this is a great place to come and eat. And if you guys don't know, in Mexico, you sit down for lunch at like 3 p.m., and you end up walking away after dinner and after drinks and after dessert and once it's too late. So Mexican lunches, buddy.
Yeah, we shot a lot of B-roll over here. Abraham Lincoln, Martin Luther King. I don't know why they're in Mexico, but...
By the way, did you notice that this is the only place where Abraham Lincoln is actually standing up and not sitting down on a chair?
Sorry, I needed light on you again.
Did you know that?
But I didn't know that until Rodrigo told me.
And now that you see him, that he was standing, he was pretty impressive. And he didn't write anything. He didn't even bother with anything.
I didn't know Martin Luther King was a bodybuilder.
Well, the statue here is a little bit disproportionate. But he looked like Popeye. He had like big forearms like crazy. Yeah. But lots of culture that I didn't learn any.
And the best part, it was actually cheap.
Oh, yeah.
So breakfast was like $40.
$40.
It was probably a $100 breakfast.
And how delicious was it?
One of the most delicious breakfast chilaquiles I've ever had. That was the best
even with
chilaquila.
the light, you look black.
I know. I was like, what's going on over here?
That's great.
That's super BMW, Farghini.
Is that as super as they get here, or is that like how super is that here?
I don't know. How super is that, Tony? From 1 to 10.
Well, let's be on the hunt. Let's be on the hunt.
That's an 8?
Let's be on the hunt for the super BMW.
You got it, Farghini. Oh, can I show you the hotel where I lost my virginity?
Yes.
Around here, there was a hotel called Palo Alto, and that's where your boy did it with a stripper. So this area right here, this is called Santa Fe. And all of those buildings up there were never there. They put that shopping center first in here, and then they built all of those and all of the buildings that you see ahead too, even though it's overexposed as hell. There you go, you guys see them? None of that was here when I was a kid. Holy shit. Holy shit. Whoa. Ooh, they have McLaren dealerships here. And it's not like, oh, I'm surprised because it's Mexico. No, because I've never seen McLaren before and they moved Ferrari. Holy shit, also Honda dealership. Sorry, guys. Oh my God, there's a humongous chair just sitting literally sitting right there. This is really nice now. I love this area these days. There's a lot of weird openings and closings for cars to come in and out, so I don't feel like I would be a great driver these days here.
Going to be the
But look at that. Look at all the buildings.
It's going to be the new train. Hookah.
Oh, they're putting a train here that's going to Toluca, which is a little town like 45 minutes out, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, wow. Ooh, Range Rover, military green. And CX-3. I'm sorry, I'm freaking out, guys, but this is so cool. I'm telling you, all of the new construction, new buildings, huge buildings everywhere. That's what reminds me of Dubai. And then look at this beautiful park right here. None of this was here back in the day. We didn't have any of these. It's awesome. Oh, there's an even beautiful found people Instagramming pictures. Whenever you have sophisticated Instagramming methods, do you agree that you become a first world country?
Well, you have excess of water to shoot out of the ground. Excess of fresh water. You're first world.
There might be more excess of water here than in LA because we have the shortage.
Yeah, of course, Mr. Brown.
Architecture here is fucking incredible. The only thing we're not very good at, it's only building parking spots. All of the parking places are really weird and small and like not proper, but that is ridiculous. Woo! We decided because we were in Mexico City, we wanted to go to traditional places and eat some delicious Mexican food, but Tony decided to come here. Enjoy, Tony. We all gotta be friends and take care of each other, people. Do good by each other. Tony's gotta eat, so I'm gonna drive. You enjoy, just go ahead, sir. Go ahead. I got you. I got you.
Please.
Enjoy. All right. All right, kids, hang on. And I know this is a brand new thing for you guys. This is the background of the stars in Mexico. This is Hookah's place. Oh my God, look, Hookah. Hang on a second. Can you please open the fridge right there? I've never seen more Red Bull in my life.
No, this is empty. We used to have full. I mean, all of them pretty full.
Holy crap. So we came over to Mexico because we were gonna do some deals and we need to take care of business.
Business guy.
But not everything is about business. We decided that we wanted to spend some time with some good peeps right here. And actually, Hookah's got one of the most epic BMWs in the world. I'm sorry, dude. I really think so.
Thank you.
Yeah, I really
I consider it that way too, but I don't know if that's narcissist. I just love it. It's like thinking you have the best wife in the world. I think that way of my car. I know there may be some better BMWs or faster or whatever, but she fucks.
Nah, dude. So we came here to test that, but also I wanted to just look at this and tell you guys all of the details because you went to school for design. This is why your freaking pad is so dope.
Yeah, I designed the whole thing. I designed that whole like.
Oh really?
Actually, a professor built it for me, so it was nice.
Oof.
With a professor, I'm gonna design some cool shit for my shoes. I like this. I think that where you live has to be nice. You have to like where you live.
You have to love it, and actually, not a lot of people do this. Not a lot of people put money into making it theirs.
Exactly.
You know what I mean? And that's not good because then you never feel like you live there.
It's tuning, but you're like
your house. So this is how Hookah tuned his house. You saw this right here. Look at the accent wall back there. I know, guys, I'm geeking out, but I love this type of shit. I love design, and this is a talented fucker. By the way, he's got a motorcycle here. He's got a motorcycle in his apartment. Why do you have a motorcycle up here?
Because they didn't let me park it next to my car, so Ooh, look at that.
Ooh!
Goes nuts sometimes.
And you put that together too, right?
Oh yes. This is a pizza bike.
No!
So yeah. 125, cafe racer, but I need to finish this old shit.
Oh, it's just a little bit here. No one's gonna notice if you
No,
take it out like this.
Nah.
So, Hookah, can we please take a look at your beautiful BMW?
Let's go.
Let's do this.
Yes.
I want you guys to see this because this is the first thing that he did. Please open that, Hookah. Thank you. That's a fucking full tank of NOS. Yep, and it's nice and open. Yeah, I heard all the noise. Farghini and I have never been in a car where it works. We've been in cars that have it, but it doesn't work.
It works. I hope it doesn't. Like the car gets like, yeah, no worries. Everything's gonna be fine. You got my word on that.
This fucking guy goes hard as fuck. He didn't even put the headlights on the car back, and we're gonna go and just drive like a maniac.
It's like a McLaren 720S.
Oh, it's for airflow, Hookah.
It's everything. Yeah, it's dynamics. It's airflow. It's clever shit.
Nice. So just so you all know, this is supposed to have 430 horsepower to the wheel.
Yes.
And
Not
it's an,
supposed, not, it does have.
It does have.
It does have.
No, yeah, well, this is what you're saying. This is what you're saying.
Yeah,
Absolutely. Oh, this is gonna be awesome because these cars also don't weigh shit. So it should be really epically fast.
It's fun. I mean, every time I get to drive it, which is daily because I only have one car.
What?
Well, two. No, wait, I have two.
Yeah.
Okay.
What about the Red Bull Mini?
But that's without license plates right now.
Oh, okay. So you cannot take it.
But I only have one car, so yeah, this is my daily.
Good
I
for
need
you.
a new daily. I'm in that part, you know.
Yeah, of course.
My daily became a fucking skeleton.
It happens to everyone, by the way. Yeah, buddy. He's part of the club. I didn't even notice his tires say good vibes. He's fucking dude. We're about to go and he's getting really ready and I'm really nervous.
Let me sync the cameras. Ahí te van, papu. Chido.
¡Puta madre! ¡No! ¡No! ¡Que me ayuden, cabrones, por favor! ¡Ay, Hey, Farghini, good luck with you. Don't worry, you don't have to. You have Hookah's got GoPros, just the intro. Just do it down there. I wish you the best. You're gonna have some fun. You're really gonna have some fun. Go enjoy it.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm fucking nervous as fuck. You'll take care of me, right?
Just go on. Go in. However it's said.
I have to put the seat way back. Okay. Are you ready?
I am.
Okay, here we go. Let's just say the way you guys drove caused some technical issues.
You couldn't even do it?
No, we could not.
Oh, come on.
It was not regarding me, and it was regarding the law.
Let's just say.
But just a little bit.
Nah.
By nothing. So Farghini couldn't do it.
Yes.
What a shame.
Everything happens for a reason.
Exactly.
I believe firmly in that, so.
And for a better reason.
For a better
Always.
reason. I like that.
Always.
I like that. Another one.
Hey, Farghini, another one.
That's why the law exists.
No.
Motherfuckers like me.
But honestly, that was so much fun. Car control that this kid has, he drives like no one. We've done all of that before, and someone losing control like that, no one. I'm telling you, dude, I've never been in a car that's got it like that. That was so much fun, and I really hope Farghini can get in on another time.
Let me just add something, because people might think what my people sometimes think. I don't do it like just to goof around. I actually know my car.
Yeah, of course.
They're doing this like in another car or something. You have to know your limits and stay always a little beneath them On the real deal,
He goes a little beneath them.
a little bit near them,
Yeah.
and on practice, that's where you push them, but in a safe environment, in parking lots, in tracks. But in the real deal, you push it a little bit less.
Yeah.
So everything's.
Yeah. No, he was very, in a way, he was very responsible, although he was scary as fuck. There's no lying. I'm sure you guys have seen the video with me just crying like a little girl. Unfortunately, Farghini couldn't do it today. Hookah, thank you so much today for everything.
Thank you. It's a pleasure having you in your hometown.
It's a pleasure being here in my hometown with my fucking fellow Mexi homie. And now, are you ready for some drinks?
Oh shit. So let me just leave my car keys there.
Be responsible, kids. See you later, guys.